Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you very much for watching my video. Today I want to show you this modern version of the Friends apartment. I created it from bits and pieces of other dollhouses I made in the last few years, which is why this is just a room tour instead of a tutorial as usual. I'm super excited about the upcoming Friends reunion and I recently watched the entire series for the second time. I'd be very interested to know whether any of you love Friends as much as I do, and also let me know in the comments what you think about this project. And as usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!